Hey guys, it's Sparkle Spice. Today we have some colored foam ice cream surprises. Here's the pink foam. Mmm, so yummy. Let's see what's inside. It's a Spider-Man Tsum Tsum. So cute. Purple foam. Mmm, delicious. It's Susie! Look at the little anchor on her shirt. Blue foam. Big bite. Here's what's inside. Queen Elsa Tsum Tsum. She has a snowflake in her hair. Yellow foam. Super good. Who's this? Sky from Paw Patrol. Woof, woof, woof. Green foam. Time to dig in. Look who we have! Dory! She's very squishy. Red! This is Marshall. Blue! This is Chase. Yellow. This is Rubble. Green. This is Rocky. Blue ball. Green ball. Red ball. Yellow ball. Red ball. Green ball. Blue ball. Yellow ball. Red house. Yellow house. Green house. Blue house. Which house does this one go into? This one, red. Which house does this go into? This one, yellow. Which house does this one go into? This one, green. And which house does this one go into? This one, the blue house. Which house does this one go into? Over here, the blue. And which house does this one go in? It's this one, the yellow. And where does this one go? In this one, the green. Which house does this belong? That one, the red. Which house does this go into? The green. Which house does this belong in? It's the blue house. And where does this belong? In the red house. 1, 2, 2 red balls. 1 yellow ball. 1, 2 green balls. 1, 2 blue balls. Red, green, blue, red, yellow, green, blue, red, green, blue, red, blue, green, yellow. Hey guys, it's Sparkle Spice, and today we have this pop-up toy. Let's see who's inside. It's Peppa Pig. Who's in the green? It's George. All right, who's in orange? It's Mummy Pig. Now who's in the pink? It's Susie Sheep. Last one. It's Daddy Pig. All right, let's close them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's see if we can get some surprises. 1. Oh, look. It's a Disney Planes Fire and Rescue Mashup. We have Cabby. Now 2. Oh, look. It's a Paw Patrol Microlight. This is Chase. And 3. What's this? It's a Minnie Mouse figure? Oh, look at this Minnie all dressed in pink. 4. It's a Peppa Pig Microlight. This is George. And now 5. What's this? A Finding Dory figure? It's Crush. Which one of these surprises is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. Bye, Crush. Bye, George. Bye, Minnie. Bye, Chase. Bye, Cabby. What team are you on? Max, Duke, Gidget, Chloe, Snowball, or Mel? Let me know in the comment section. Let's start cooking with our microwave and see what surprises we get. We'll start with this mesh and teal slime ball. First it's teal, and when you squeeze it, it's green. So fun! Into the microwave. Whoa, what did we get? Now we have an orange slime ball. What happens when I squeeze it? Ooh, yellow. Let's see it again. Starts out orange. Now yellow. All right, let's see if we can make it give us another surprise. Whoa, what do we have here? Now we have a purple slime ball. What color will we see when we squeeze it? Pink. Very cool. Back into the microwave. Wow, what do we have now? This time it's green. What will it be when we squeeze? Blue. Green and now blue. Super cool. Here we go again. Wow, what did we get? It's a Paw Patrol mashup. This is Rocky.